Open up the demo scene by navigating to No Frills and then for Equipment and find the word Demo. Once you enter play mode, you'll see 3 equipment holders being printed on your screen. You just hit the corresponding buttons, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, to equip and unequip each equipment holder. So how does this work? Let's exit play mode and find out. Navigate to a demo equipment mod in your scene there. And if you look over on the components where it says demo equip, what you notice that we have a equipment holder. That's the thing that's actually holding the equipped gear. And then we have 2 equipped, which has all the example equipment. Let's look at the equipment holder first. So double click on demo equipment holder 1, and then that'll bring up the demo equipment holder 1's data. Here you could define what slots can be equipped. As you see here, the demo comes with 5 equipable slots, and they have head, chest, right hand, right shoulder, left shoulder. Let's duplicate one of these demo equipment holders. So you just highlight on it, select it, and hit Control and D. And now, like an example here, I have a demo equipment 4, and let's modify that. So you could define the size here. I'm just going to do 3. And you see each element has a name and a slot. So the slots can be more than one slot. For example, you might want your shoulders to take both the left and right shoulder slot. Or maybe you want them to be unique, so then you could separate those out. Whatever the case may be, here's how you could define the particular equipment that this equipment holder can hold. Let's navigate back to the demo equipment mod 1 in the scene, and let's take a look at equipment. If you double click on the equipment, you'll see its data values pop up in your inspector window there. The slot value here, as you can see, could be more than 1 in size, and it says which slot this particular piece of equipment can, slot into. Traits here can do things like increase the armor, in this case armor 5, increase the damage, increase a stat, or do anything else you would like to do with the traits. These are also scriptable objects. I've included 2 examples here, armor 5 and damage 5. You can duplicate them if you would like a different armor type, like armor 10, or you could duplicate damage to get a different damage type. And then you can assign any number of traits to a piece of equipment. Overall, you get an equipment holder, which holds the equipment that you define. And the equipment contains traits, which modify whichever traits that you define. All of these are in scriptable objects, so they're persistent across scenes and pretty awesome for your player character. Thank you for your support, and happy making.